Hello. If you're feeling all scrunched up from being hunched over your laptop all day, I've got a great tip for you. If you're on a Mac, you have an inbuilt dictation function. Here's how you use it. You press the function key, which is in the bottom left-hand corner of your keyboard, twice. Here is the magic. Full stop. New paragraph. Dictation, dictation, dictation. New paragraph. 3 sausages went to the station. New paragraph. 1 got lost, comma, 1 got squashed, and 1 had a big operation, exclamation mark. New paragraph. Press the function key again to stop recording. Bingo. That little poem will be recognised by anyone who went to primary school in the 1960s. You can do it on an email. Hello, comma, thanks for your email, full stop, new paragraph. I think you are totally fantastic and I agree with you 100%, full stop, new paragraph, lots of love from Lou, new paragraph, PS, love your work. Now you can see it's working perfectly for me, but sometimes it doesn't. So here's a little tip if it's being a bit sluggish or not working at all. Up here in under your Apple System Preferences, over here, keyboard, I've got enhanced dictation off. Sometimes it works better with enhanced dictation on, sometimes off. I'm not sure whether that's related to my internet speed, which is a little bit crappy, or whether the moon is waxing and waning. I'm not really sure, but that's something you can play around with if it's not working very well for you. You can also customize or decide how you want to set it up here using, this is the default function, but you might like something else or you might like to customize. That's a little bit of background information. Meantime, forth and dictate, comma, and that'll help you sit up straight, full stop. I really just made that up, pretty good. Okay, see you now.